Hello guys, welcome to another amazing tutorial with us. Today we want to show you how we did this particular flyer, but we want to make that is a different version of this particular flyer like this. So please stay tuned to the end of this tutorial, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe so that you get notification anytime we drop a video. Oga, you dey hear me? So now let's head over straight to our tutorial. Let's control new from here. Say control new. Let's undo this. Or shift this off. We'll create a new folder like this. This is a new artboard. So this will select 7 by 5. I don't know why I like that size. No, let's change it to, sorry, it's supposed to be 5 by 6. 5 by 6. Enter. So under here, let's get our background ready. I downloaded the background from Pinterest. Pinterest background. My research. This is my research time. So I think the background is somewhere here. So yes, that's the background. I'll be linking this in the description. This is the background I wanted to use. Okay. And then the image I have in mind is on my desktop. Let me move away. This is the image I'll be dragging in. I have potentials for this image. So, and it's a bit blurry. I scaled it to this point, but that's the best way it could appear. So now looking at this particular image, like, it's giving you that kind of look. You look when you look at this kind of background, it's like it's pushing in that vibe that no, there's something is about to go on. Similar to this, but this one is a bit calm. So here I want to bring in that old school vibe. Look at her cap here. It's portraying the old school. So I want to bring in that old school something. So now come to, I want to get another of my resource that I downloaded for this tutorial. This is it. So under here you come to, let's download it. This is the image. This is it. So now bring it here. So now I want to remove the background of this. Sorry. Bam. On this, let me select it. Comes here, select subject, so that it is selected. So that if it doesn't select it very well, can you see this? It doesn't work very well. So now you can use your polygon lasso tool to select your corners. See, can drag here, bring here, drag here, bring here, drag here to this point, drag here like this, drag to this point. Since the corners are not that difficult, you can hold your spacebar to move it, drag here. So now you take it around the image, take it around the image, and then you join it where you started. So that's it. And then you press Ctrl J. Sorry. Then click here, select inverse. It selects that image itself. Then press Ctrl J. Then delete this particular one. Delete that one behind. Please, if you don't understand anything, we can still go over again. I want to remove this space, but you notice that I think there's something here we'll need to remove. This is not part of it. So we'll also remove it as well. Come here. It's selecting the girl instead of. So let's come. Let me move away a bit. Why am I even blocking this thing? So now what is going to happen here is we'll select this, scale it up, change it to smart object. Remember, so that no matter how you scale, it won't go back. So we'll take this thing behind her. So let's carry her up, her image up like that. Then we want to write old school. But before then, select this background. We want to lighten this background up a bit. So behind her, we want something like white, so that when we write or when we portray that old school, it will come out very well. So I'll come over here, select this, then create a new, click here on this add, create a new outline. Come here, select brush. Look at the brush here. Reduce the size by pressing the lower bracket, the small bracket. You can see the color there is black, so undo. Then come here, move, change. Look at the settings here. Change it to white. You can see that it's now white. So we'll now bring this layer down here. That's behind her, so that anything we do, you can actually see how it's popping out like that. So after doing that, you can now bring, we'll call it radio in our in our Nigerian team though. So now we'll write old school here. Old school. Let's change the color. Let's see, to black. Let's see what is there. This is the correct spelling. Old school. And then double click here, so that you have a very nice, change the change the font. Select any font of your choice. I think I'll go with this. This is it. Old school. So under this old school like this, or let me also change this font. Let me use outfit bold. Let's see. Or Bebas. Let's try different fonts. Let's try different fonts. We'll select bangers. Exactly. So I'm more comfortable with these bangers. Better. So I'll move my picture up. Look at the old school vibe it's giving us here. So now at this juncture, what is remaining for you is just the information that are in front. So now these informations are like, you just select your rectangle here. It's your rectangle. Select your rectangle. Then draw. It already has a white color. So this white color, you can now write anything you want to. right on this. Here you can now scale it up. If you want it to have rounded corners like that, you adjust. So now let's fill in one of the little details we have. We can now write venue, date, and time like that. Change to black. Click on OK from here, and then you readjust. Old school setting, you can write your venue of event. Venue, we can write Diarrhea Lounge, lounge and bar. You can select it and then scale it up to, you reduce the, let's change the fonts to Montserrat, my baby Montserrat. So Montserrat will have levels to this. I think that's the thin one. So let's change it to the semi bold so that we can see very well. Semi bold, and then other details will follow respectively. Time, dates. Sorry, time. The time you can say 10 p.m. and you can say date. Instead of using this date, you can as well use symbols. You can use symbols to illustrate the venue, time, and date respectively. You can say this is 12th June or July, sorry, 2026. So this is if you don't want to stress yourself much, you can just do this and save yourself some time. Scale it. Yeah, just like this. This is a 2 minutes old school flyer design. It's nothing plenty, just small. Just I'm just trying to give you an idea of how you can do things faster. So we're gonna export this and think we are done here. And this is just a beginner. Like I don't want to bore you with much. Just if you can do this simple thing, please hit me in the comment section for your corrections like that. I know there are tons of corrections.